This video is going to talk about how you can stabilize your footage in Davinci Resolve, just like this. Yeah, it's stable now, just like this. So let's get right into the video. There are different ways to stabilize footage in Davinci Resolve. I'm going to show you the fastest and the simplest way to do this. This is how the footage looks like. This is a video I shot at the Kotoka International Airport. You first have to click on the clip you want to stabilize. Make sure your inspector window is open, then you come to video. So under video, you scroll down to stabilization, and all you have to do is to make sure it's open, and then you just click stabilize. Allow Davinci to do its magic, and voila. So now you could see the difference between the two of them. Another thing you should also know is that there are different parameters in here. You can make changes to it depending on how intense the shakiness of your clip is. There are different modes of stabilization in Davinci Resolve, and I'm going to cover those in future videos, but for now I want you to stick to the perspective. There are certain scenarios whereby the video has a very intensive shakiness, and then when you apply the stabilization it feels a bit wobbly in some cases. So reducing the strength and the crop can help fix that. So you can reduce the strength to like maybe 0.2 or 0.3, but then it's not going to make it feel much smoother, but then it's worth it. So all these parameters you can play around with them, and if you should mess things up, don't forget to click on the reset button, and then once you reset it, you can just hit stabilize and you can continue with whatever you are doing. That's it for stabilizing footages in Davinci Resolve, and if you have any further questions, just leave them in the comments below. And until then, Charlie, Mapon, Share.